Welcome to Logistrics Taxi, the full-featured cloud-based dispatch system designed exclusively for taxi and transport operators worldwide. Built to work on Android smartphone or tablets, the system provides a simple yet cost-effective way for taxi operators to run their business. Let's begin with a quick tour of the main features and benefits of the Logistrics solution. The main page is like a cockpit for the taxi operator. This is where vehicles, drivers, and their statuses are tracked and viewed on a map. Orders are entered and dispatched, routes and fares are viewed, and exceptions are handled. The system works with caller ID system to auto-populate the caller's address information based on information previously stored in the system. Entering trip details is easy. In most cases, saved addresses can be pulled up, saving time and effort for the dispatcher. It is also set up to use Google's Address Autocomplete or Saved Points of Interest, a huge time saver. Of course, there is also the option to type in the address manually. Don't know the actual address but know a nearby landmark? No problem. Just click on the target icon, pick the location on the map, and the coordinates are auto-populated instantly. A built-in fare calculator uses the company's preset rates to calculate fares for a trip. This is useful in providing quotes to customers besides helping dispatchers estimate the distance and time for the trip, a powerful aid to dispatch planning. There are many other options that can be selected for each trip, including booking trips up to a year in advance. If you operate multiple fleets, you can even assign the trip to a specific fleet. Once an order is dispatched, the system dispatches using the dispatch method chosen by the company. Several methods are supported: manual, zone or queue-based, closest car, or closest cars. Now, let's see what happens once the driver receives the order on his device. The system transmits orders to the driver's Android device within 3 to 5 seconds. The order populates prominently on the driver's screen, and they only need to tap Yes to accept. There is also the option for the driver to select an estimated time of arrival based on the time needed to get to the customer's location. Once an order has been accepted, the driver appears yellow on the dispatcher's map, and the dispatcher can mouse over the driver's status to see how long the driver has been in a particular state of a trip. There is a yellow status indicator box on the upper right of the driver device to indicate this state as well. All the order information appears on the screen. The driver simply taps on the green arrow when the customer is picked up. This changes the vehicle icon color on the dispatcher screen and the driver's status indicator to red simultaneously. To complete the trip, all the driver has to do is tap on the X icon. This brings up the fare box, where they can use the quoted fare or enter in an adjusted fare. They can also select the payment method. To complete the trip, all the driver does is tap OK. The car goes back to green. These are among one of several features of the Logistrics Taxi's order handling process. It supports curb pickup handling, no-shows, and cancellations. Also, orders can be stacked for future dispatch or for the driver to see what their upcoming trips are, right on their device. The Logistrics Taxi system offers a range of excellent features to help companies manage all aspects of their taxi or transportation business, including configuration of fare rates, auto email notifications, and different roles for all users, from dispatchers to drivers. Every order has a unique ID, and orders can be downloaded into Excel for easy accounting. It also supports auto-invoicing of account customers using a proprietary parent-client structure, a valuable feature for taxi operators. The system provides extensive reports. The Trip Trace feature allows vehicles' history to be traced up to 15 days in the past. Customers can use their smartphones to book a ride in real time and even track the vehicle on its way to pick them up. This helps taxi companies generate additional trips besides ensuring customers use their branded app to book trips instead of third-party applications. The full-featured, affordable taxi dispatch solution. Logistrics Taxi.